One of the best ways to make matches in eFootball more realistic and immersive is by adding live commentary. The game allows you to download official commentary packs in different languages so you can hear real commenters calling the action as you play. With just a few steps, you can set up commentary on your device and enjoy a more authentic football experience. So go ahead and tap on Extras in the right hand side of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Game Settings, that is beside User Information. You will see the commentary language option, which is the initial option in this page. Go ahead and tap on that. Now scroll down and select or tap on any language that you want to set as commentary language in your device, in your app. So if you've selected the option of English, you'll download the English commentary and apply it. So that's how you can go ahead and download commentary languages in eFootball. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.